shine, smiles on tortoise shells. Slow and steady winds on revels. Tiny feet on grass they tread. Kneeling time, our hearts are led. Lettuce leaves and morning dew. Tomato bites for this fine crew. Under trees with shadows cast, blissful moments truly last. Tortoise parade, come gather round. Watch them munch without a sound. Living life with mindful pace. Peaceful meal in simple grace. Cucumbers, fresh and juicy sweet. Little torts begin to eat. Happiness in every bite. Tiny chomps, such pure delight. They crowd around their leafy feast. Joyful calm from west to east. Gentle sun, so warm and kind. Nature's wonder intertwined. Tortoise parade, come gather round. Watch them munch without a sound. Living life with mindful pace. Peaceful mealing, simple grace. Cucumbers, fresh and juicy sweet. Little torts begin to eat. Happiness in every bite. Tiny chomps, such pure delight. They crowd around their leafy feast. Joyful calm from west to east. Gentle sun, so warm and kind. Nature's wonder intertwined. Tortoise parade, come gather round. Watch them munch without a sound.